Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we'll talk about the types of chart in writing task 1. So writing task 1 involves charts which you have to decipher and basically extrapolate all the data from it. You have to write 150 words in writing task 1. So let's look at types of charts. Also, please note that you will only be given 20 minutes or try to do it within 15 to 16 minutes. So the first chart is the line graph. So basically in line graph the data will be in the form of lines. So on the x-axis and y-axis we will have like lines coming through. So for example, this could be the rate of population growth. Okay, so let's say the first was 10 million and third was 30 million. You have years on this side. Okay. Now the second is bar graph. So in bar graph, the data will be in form of bars, basically small cylindrical structure, right? So this could be again in terms of population, same thing, but in form of bars. So let's say this is 30 million, this is 20, and this is 10. This is 2010, 2020, 2030. Okay. Now this in the pie chart, we basic most time you will have percentages. So for example, let's say the total population of a country is 10 million. So where are they scattered? So let's say 40% are in Uttar Pradesh, 20% in Uttarakhand, and rest 40% in Rajasthan or any other whatever state. Now tabular chart. So in tabular chart, the data will be given in the table format. So this could be, you know, again in terms of population, you could say France, Germany, and Spain. Again, population started in 2010, 2020. So 11 million, 20 million, 10, 30 million, 5 million, and 6 million. Something along those lines. Okay. So guys, the fifth type is the process diagram. So basically in the process diagram, a process is shown, how this is created. So for example, here jaggery is created by sugarcane. So from sugarcane, basically the juice of the sugarcane is extracted. It is heated, and then jaggery is produced. Okay. Now in maps, so basically in maps you always have to follow directions. So let's say this is Edward's house, and Chris is at point A. So to reach Edward's house, Chris has to go northward towards B and then turn westwards or west. So Chris first has to go north towards B and then move west to reach Edward's house. Now in multiple graph, we will have two types. We can have two types of graphs. So, for example, you can have a bar chart or a pie chart. You can have a line graph and a bar chart. This is perhaps more common nowadays. This this often comes in the test, but make sure you have always have to follow the same principles in in resolving the question from the task one. So firstly, you have to paraphrase the question. Second would be your overall overview. Third would be your body paragraph one, and fourth would be your body paragraph two. So I've already made a video on how to solve task one questions, and I'll post a link on the I button. Thank you, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button